This is a great blue heron, common in the Northeast, well, relatively common. One of my favorite birds. Of course, their method of hunting relies on standing very still and watching the water for movement, and then slowly bending their neck down and then striking suddenly. They then will, if it's a large enough fish, flip it so that they're able to swallow it head first, and the fins are forced to lie down by their throats. But it means that watching them is not an action-packed experience. Still, beautiful animal. People don't realize it, but one of the larger wingspans in North America. Gorgeous wading bird.